Come back once again. We have bought a new just launched pieces for y'all. These are the just launched pieces what we bought today. This is a ruby with uncut diamond 3-lined chain for bride and groom. This is also a unisex chain which can be used by a bride as well as a groom on sherwanis in marriage. This is all with same uncut diamonds and gold. Followed by 3 brooches, pendant kind of things. Small, big and big, which are designed safely. As same as this you had in this 3 lines also. Small, small, big, big and big ones here. These are all real ruby beads which is used in this. This total weight is around 198.28 grams and net weight is roughly around 83 grams. Coming to the next, we had a different choker with same uncuts and rubies with the South Sea pearls. This is a fixed choker. And uncut drops with pearls, and you have given a flower shaped design in between the choker, which can see this is all different sizes of flowers. Big in the middle you had a big one, and on the sides you had small. On top you had small pearls. And you can see the workmanship behind also. This is rubies are open setting and the uncuts are closed set. The smooth finishing. You had a given links for which can be flexibly fixed to your neck. These are all hallmark gold. The choker is weighing around 140 grams and net weight will be around 106 grams. You had a matching tops for it, like chandbalis. This is driven from the flower design to match the choker. This also has pearl drops with uncut drops and ruby stones. a small flower on the top like a stud. You can see the design. This also has a clip which holds your ear tightly. Please do follow us on Instagram as well as Facebook. Please give your valuable comments. For any queries, you can contact us on this number or our Instagram page. You can comment on comment sessions. This is the number 70933244141. Please give your valuable suggestions. You can see this Battumala once again. This is a flexible necklace which can be used as necklace as well as a vardhanam. In this also you can see uncuts, emeralds, rubies. And you can see the finishing behind. This is also well fine. You can see the small necklace also, which is flexible, which fits any neck, small, big, anything. It can be used as a necklace as well as a choker. These uncuts are fixed like a princess cut diamond. You can see the square shapes, which gives a different look for the necklace. This has a small brooch on the top, on the either sides. This is weighing around 1 or 2 grams. Net weight is of 79 roughly. Please visit our stores at Jubilee Hills Road number 36 for more collection, and follow us on Instagram as well as Facebook. For any queries, you can contact us on this number 70933244141. For more queries, you can follow us on Instagram. Thank you. Thank you. Namaste.